What is going on, everybody? It's Benny66 here, also known as Kid Potato, brought to you guys with another episode, number 2 of Creep. Earn to die, huh, bro? And we have enough for our own car, so let's get that puppy up. Now, it should have almost everything upgraded except for the boosters and the propeller and stuff. You guys see what I mean later on. But the more these cars get, the better the cars get, the harder it is to get upgrades. Yeah. And I just got 3,000 bucks, which I'll take. Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's how far we have to get to the. We got to get to the chopper. I wonder why you're driving a car when you can just run. But hey, I'm not gonna question the game at all. Oh man, look at the gas on this. Wait until I get some stuff on this poor little car. I wonder how this car even gets this far if it's old. Oh, no, we're not gonna make it to the boxes. Hey, we see the boxes. They're right there. Okay. Oh, hey, 15K, I'll take. Whoa, I can barely even cost. I can not even pay for. Oh my, can't even pay for fuel. Okay, go. We got better wheels, which should equal dodging stuff, some obstacles better. Whoa, that works. That's a lot of wheels there. Not a lot, I mean, good big wheels. Just like I have big balls. Got him. Time for Scrub Lord to drive his car in a zombie. Boom, boom, boom. Wrecked. Hashtag wrecked zombies. Hmm. I don't know what to say. I feel like I wasn't talking for like a whole 30 seconds. Um, what else to say? What else to say? It's already been 2 minutes. Everybody probably just like stop this video right now. What to say? Oh, and we made it past the boxes. Yeah, screw you, boxes. These boxes, you suck. Yeah, boxes. It's always the box fault. Oh, I'm still going. Yeah, that's good. And now I met some new zombies. Engine. No. I can't imagine not having a pro car that does nothing. Like, if you had the best car in the world, you used all your money for it, and then, like, you realize it's actually pretty crappy. And holy crap, I'm going super fast. The Flash can't catch me. Suckers. Also, oh crap, it's too late to say. Um, oh crap, I had a stupid question. I don't want to say it because you guys are gonna get mad at me. Do you? Okay, 4 minutes in the recording, almost halfway. And slice and dice on that zombie. Look at him. He's not gonna walk for a while now. I just see a leg come out. This is like a bird going into a plane. The plane's propellers. It's gonna go down. Okay, let's wreck these boxes. Breach. I don't have my propellers. That's the problem. I can't get that. I'd like to spend my 3,000 right now because I did not get a good breach. I refuse to call that a breach. I refuse. I'm stuck. Hiya! Don't you dare go back, car. You went back. You just costed me like $3. Stupid car. Wasting all my money. Um. Okay, so 8,000. Holy crap. Yay. Okay, my priority, get good wheels. Wheels and a propeller. That's what I have to get. On this video, I have to get wheels, better wheels, and a propeller with this new car. Maybe a gun on it. I saw like a huge tow truck. I can only imagine how bad that's gonna be if bad booty if I get that thing, cause that thing's gonna Shrek them all. Also, you can kind of see your character. The Annihilator. No. Hey, no. Keep on going, car. Oh yeah. Gonna go take some tap dancing lessons. Boom. Oh, I should have waited until a zombie was there. That would have been a good one. No. Now it's wasted. Okay. Okay, so it depends if I pull on the gas or not. Am I pulling on the gas? Okay. I'm stuck between a zombie. Okay, so I slice through him. Come here, zombies. You're gonna go die. Zombies, you're gonna go die. See, that zombie died alone. Just imagine. Okay, turn down their sounds. Turn down their sound. Oh, oh, oh. How much money I get out of this one? Oh, God, it's lagging. Woo! 30K. I could use that money for tank. I really just wasted my money. Wait. Okay, 25K, new wheels. I'm gonna just. Oh, crap, I may have hit my mic. Crap. I'm just gonna pause this video until something actually gets a bit more interesting, so BRB. Okay, the pimp card's back. Oh yeah. Killed you with my back wheel, sucker. How do you feel now? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm breaching through. Okay, save my gas. What day am I on? Don't you tell me stuff is too slow. If I want it to be slow, I would have made it slow by now. Come on, card. Come on. It's really hard with these controls because they don't just immediately do what I say for it to do. It's like sensitivity's a bit low. Okay. Uh-oh, I'm almost out of gas. No! I refuse. Hit the second layer of boxes. Oh yeah. No zombie's getting me. Never gonna find me. Oh, 50K, 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 50. There. Got new wheels. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. So if you guys liked the video, punch the like button in the face. Like a boss. High fives all around. I hope you guys liked the video. And remember to subscribe if you need, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.